I got a 2012 Mustang, and my sync has been giving me this icon, the no GPS, with the big red slash going through it for some time, and Ford's like, well, there's nothing wrong they could find, so I'm going to replace the antenna just to find out. So, you know, if you have a Mustang, mine's got a glass roof, so the GPS antenna is on the trunk lid. That's the GPS antenna right there. I've actually already done the replacement. That's my old antenna, and that is the part number to replace it. You can't really put this thing in wrong. As you can see, it's got that alignment pin right there. So you just put it on the back of your trunk, and when you pop it through, it locks in with those tabs right on both sides like I was talking about. Now this is a pretty straightforward, easy repair. Should take you no more than like 15 minutes. Just pop the trunk. You're going to remove the liner that's going to be here. Oh, I've already done that. I've got the liner sitting right here. It's got a bunch of little pull pins. You just pull them out, get them out of the way. Then you want to disconnect your cable, which is real simple. You just press that tab and this piece will pull out. I'm going to try to do it one hand. Oh, not going to do it. Try two hands. Got the camera. There we go. Just going to break it loose, that's all. All right, once you do that, this is a 10 millimeter. Yes, I know, the dreaded 10 millimeter. Screw it out. This metal piece right here will come out with the screw. Give it a couple taps, and it'll knock it loose. And then there's a push tab on each side that you got to push in, and the antenna will come off your trunk. Yeah, I forgot to put the trunk liner back in. So it comes with these, you got these little push pins. You just want to make sure you pop the top out. Line it up. There we go. Line it up, pop it in, push the pin in. And I've got a few more of these to do, and she'll be finished. Doesn't take long. All right, there we go. Just run the emergency trunk release if someone gets in the trunk. Flip it over your bracket there. There's one there. There's one there. And then the rest of your push pins are in place. Repair's done. All right, so I'm parked in the garage. It's not gonna have a GPS signal. I've already done the repair just to make sure it worked. Let the car start up and back it out. Do the S. Oh, actually it just disappeared, which is nice. And I'm still in the garage. I haven't backed out yet. And yeah, pretty much straightforward. I haven't had a GPS signal in a while. Been driving me into lakes and things like that. I haven't been driving to lakes. It's just the map changes to it. So there you go, YouTubers. Pretty simple. I think I got it off of Amazon for like 46 bucks. Took like a week to get delivered, and 15 minutes and you're done.